Okay, this is the video about how to put the emulator on the Yamaha Vista when you don't have the key. I bought this bike interstate. It came to me without the key, so practically useless. So the way to have it expensive is actually to replace this. This is the immobilizer. Then you have to replace the, let's call it ECU, this part here. Must be coded or must be everything from one motorbike. That is costing second-hand around $500. From Yamaha, didn't even ask, probably over $1,000, maybe $1,500. But anyway, the cheap way to do it is what I have done here. So I just pulled this one out. I took this one to the locksmith. I asked them to cut me the key from the ignition coil. Ignition barrel. They did it. That was, I think, $60, or two keys anyway for $60, something like that. So then I pulled it out. I cut these wires. I got on eBay or the AliExpress the emulator. That was $4. I just welded up to the wires that I could, like to the connector that I cut from the ignition barrel. Then that is going to be plugged in here. The way it's supposed to be. Here we go. And now if I have petrol, the motorbike will start. Okay, I didn't put the ignition barrel in place yet, so I have to do it manually. Turn it on. Alright. If there is enough petrol to start the motorbike, it will start now. Sorry. There we go. Motorbike is working. Only on that. No problem. For $4 you can fix it if you have